It's a great day at Wolfe GMC Buick. We're located on the corner of 184th Street and Stony Plain Road in Edmonton, Alberta, Canada. Today we're looking at the 2022 GMC Sierra 1500 AT4. We're going to start by taking a look inside the front of the AT4. Driver's door has power door locks, programmable memory seat for up to 2 drivers, AT4 hard badging, power door locks, power windows, the child lock button, door storage with a cup holder, and you'll notice the Sierra comes with a premium Bose sound system. To the left of the steering wheel is the power tilt and telescopic steering wheel button, head-up display and information tab, electric park brake, 2-wheel drive and 4-wheel drive, along with trailer mode and various drive modes, some lighting controls and dials, including automatic headlamps, all-weather floor mats with a removable carpeted insert on the floor, a power adjustable driver's seat with lumbar support, jet black leather interior with Kalahari seat inserts, AT4 embroidery in both headrests, and a power sunroof overhead. Next, I'll climb in and we'll start the truck, pushing the brake and pushing that engine push start button. We'll take a look at the leather wrapped heated steering wheel. The left side has our adaptive cruise control buttons with forward collision alert and that heated steering wheel button. To the right are the audio controls and Bluetooth command. This is our refreshed driver information center. We're able to cycle through this dash by using the arrow buttons on the steering wheel, and it's a fully customizable dash. Overhead, the programmable garage door opener, power sunroof buttons, rear window slider, and OnStar. This is our rear view mirror camera. We're able to change that view back to normal by flicking that switch at the bottom of the screen. This is our newly refreshed GMC Infotainment Screen. This touch screen displays the outside temperature, the time. We have our shortcut buttons down the side, the home button, audio controls, Google Maps, trailer mode. This is for pairing your phone. And this screen also doubles as our backup camera. There we go, with guidance. We're able to turn that to hitch guidance or turn the guidance off completely. HD surround vision, so by pushing those buttons down below, we're able to change the camera view, including bed view there. Again, that engine push start button is down below. Dual climate control buttons with air conditioning, heated and ventilated front seats, lane departure alert, park assist, auto stop start, the tailgate release, hazard lights, traction control, hill descent control. This button here rolls all 4 windows down at the same time. No slip matting, dual cup holders, the integrated trailer brake controller. This little pocket here is the wireless charging pad. Simply place your phone in that pocket and it will charge your phone for you. Next, I'll open up our center console. We've got various power plugins and USB plugins, a tray, and the console mounted safe down below. At the front of the refreshed Sierra, we have that completely redesigned grille, AT4 badging in the grille, red tow hooks, rectangular fog lights, signature C-shaped headlamps, 20-inch machined aluminum wheels, a 6.2-liter V8 engine under the hood. The side mirrors have side blind zone alert, as well as the integrated turn signal indicator. 4 full-size doors, rear tinted windows. Those side mirrors have side blind zone alert. AT4 high clearance steps down below, keyless entry, remote start, the rear window slider, and as we make our way to the very back here, we have the CornerStep bumper. Those corner steps can be found on either side of the bumper for quick and easy access to the box of the truck. This truck also has GM's easy lift and lower tailgate. I'm going to use the key fob, push that button twice to drop the tailgate down with ease. This truck also has GMC's 6-way MultiPro tailgate. By pushing 2 additional buttons, we're able to drop that tailgate step down with ease. The box of the truck has a spray-in box liner with the AT4 logo, 12 cargo hooks, LED box lighting, and a power plug-in. Next, we'll take a look inside the back of this 5-passenger truck. The passenger door has power windows, door storage with a cup holder, and a door speaker. The backs of both front seats have got leather seat pockets, dual cup holders, dual rear fans, heated rear outboard seats, some USB ports, all-weather floor mats with removable carpeted inserts on the floor. Those Kalahari seat inserts carry through into the rear. The middle seat folds down into double cup holders or an armrest. We also have behind the seat storage located behind either one of those rear seats, along with under seat storage accessible by simply lifting those rear seats up. So come take a look at the refreshed 2022 GMC Sierra 1500 AT4, or you can visit us online anytime, anywhere at wolfegmcbuick.com.